Hi, my name is Elizabeth Bland, and I am the Cheese Mistress of CheeseMistress.com. Today I have two different fresh mozzarella cheeses from Formaggio Cheese, and they are up in Hurleyville, New York State. The first one I have is called Ciliegine, and this is cherry size fresh mozzarella. It is about the same size as a cherry, and it's also the same size as a cherry tomato that you get over in the salad section. These are great together in a salad, but you can also find them already marinated in this form right here. I'll try to get some out. It's marinated in oil and also by Formaggio Cheese. They have them with a little bit of sun-dried tomato and parsley. These are gorgeous all together with the green and the red. It looks a lot like a caprese salad, the traditional Italian salad made of Roma tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and also basil leaves. These two cheeses have a little bit of different texture. The one that's marinated in water with a touch of brine has a skin on the outside of it, just that's the way it forms. And then when you tear it open, it shreds a little bit. It almost looks and acts like meat. And sometimes it'll even weep out a little milk. However, when you put this in some oil, you end up with a ball of cheese that's a little bit denser and it changes color. This one's bright white and this one gets almost cream colored, and you can smash it down with your fingers and cut into it with a knife, and it's almost like a thick fudge. When you eat it, the sun-dried tomatoes give it a little bit of a kind of roasted meat flavor that's really, really good. I love this. I like it just like this, or on a toothpick, or mixed together with some of these fresh mozzarella balls and a little bit of the cherry tomatoes, just to spread out the wonderful marinade a little bit. So, since these cheeses are also kosher, they're tablet K kosher, you'll find them on my kosher website, kcheese.com, as well as the main website, CheeseMistress.com. Again, Formaggio Cheese.